Get into Discord. So I started the machine. Yeah, it's running. Okay. I need to open. Here's the page, and I might be referring to this. So I'm using verb, so let's go to browser. Well, I think for some of them you want to use this, so let's go to, and I can do a quick vulnlab scan. Although I do need to connect the vulnlabs. This for that. Vulnlab. I like to use mlab for both. Okay, so it found these. So here are the open ports. So do gtp 4.pl for 10,000. Okay, and then we need to make some files. So far we don't have anything, so what we can do is this, and then if I do, I'm naming it XCG because that's what the tutorial is based on. And then upload file, choose file. No wait, oh, this is so upload file. Okay, then go to list files and click on it. You can download it, and if you do notes from earlier. Do this. You can see there's a TMP directory, and that's where the files are stored. So if I go to TMP, it can't get it, but then if I go to like cp.txt, it offers to say this. We'll do save as, we'll call it, do that, and if I open it, looks like it's encoded weird, so so let me see, there's an YouTube video. So he does these, like this stuff with XXV and stuff, and actually I copy this commands file. This contains a lot of helpful stuff. So I'm going to do paste, we do that one, we do buff. So if I do this, see that, and then we can leave just want the hex. Do that, and then copy this, go to Cyber Chef, paste it in here, and I think we XOR it with what we add, and the key was this. So, and then I think you need to select Latin 1, and oh wait, I think you need to do from hex, and then XOR, and then put the key in. We want Latin 1, and we get this, and we had a bigger one. You'll notice that this is repeating, so you have this, and you could use like Python for cycle detection. I do want to do that, maybe not right now. I mean, you need to use a bigger key, so if you uploaded like 1,000 A's or something, but for now, we just store the key right here, and then if I do this, you see we decrypt it with the key. Not sure if this is the same thing or what. So maybe that one doesn't work. I guess let me edit this one too and take out that one. Does not work. Okay, so then we can try to we can like try to go up a directory, so we can do like this. And then if we want to try to decode it, we could do like this. Maybe we won't use burp suite. And we can do this. And we see like what's running. And notice we have this port 9299, and we can do mmap -p9299. I don't know why it's hard coded like that. That works too. The port's too big. Okay, it doesn't know why. Wasn't there like proc.self. Oh, this is what's changing. Okay, and then we can look at different JS files, like this one. This one, and then when we do find some interesting stuff in the env file. Let's see, we're about to get some stuff. So we see the secrets. What we can do is do port forwarding. And I think I did something like this. Let's see. see this. Okay, so then the next step is to set up remote debugging. So what we need to do is go to VS Code, and I have this file already ready in the first attempt right here. And you can read about it at some links under here. Remote debugging, they have this example. So what we'll do is I'm going to copy this file and then put it in here, paste. So now we have ours. And then put it in VS Code and then here. Okay, so then now I can go to attach to remote. So click this and then hit this, and this should open the debug console, and we can see these files we've been requesting. Now we're going to try to go for a reverse shell. So, and this was the part where I got stuck. Let's see. What was the one that finally worked? SSH shell. Okay, so that would be this one. So what I'll do is we're going to do touch sh shell, and then code, and then we'll take this, put it here, and not have two of these open at the same time. So there's the file, and then we need to serve it with a Python web server. So we'll do this. And we should see that be served. Okay, so it served it on Python. And then let's get a netcat listener. And then the command that worked was, hopefully it still works, is was it the X one that worked? It's mentioned in the chats. Let's see. Okay, this one worked. So I was doing the wrong one. Okay, so let's remove sh shell. I'm not using that one, but we'll do touch X, code X, and then in here we'll put this. That should work. It's based off this. Okay, and then let's see. So let's get the Python web server back up. So it's going to be this. Terminal, and then it's got it, so I don't need to have that open. Let's start the netcat listener, and then I think this one worked. Let's see. This may or may not work, but if all goes according to the plan, this will work. Yes, got a call back. So we need to stabilize the shell. Maybe cheat sheet. Background it. And we can see that that's working. And then let's do you can see what's in here. I think the user flag is in here, so if I go to cd ls, we can see the user flag, but I want to set up SSH, so I'll do this, and then I can SSH, what was it, dev at store. Okay. I mean, I guess I'm not supposed to cat out the flag. I mean, I don't know. Just cat it out. Okay. So yay, we got the flag. Let's see. Okay. Not now. Not now. Okay, so we've got, somehow we need to, okay, so we're gonna do an MSF Venom. And we'll do this. Oh, wait. Is that gonna work though? Because okay, I was like, is that running? Okay. So I've got this Chrome thing. Let's executable. And then what I need to do is on the, well, I need to start a netcat listener, and he goes into more XCT goes into more detail about this in the video, so this is so that's good. Anyways, let's see. So the SSH session, I need to run this. It's gonna hang, and we should get a callback on this. Oh wait, that no, it's not doing it because I didn't get the file. Okay, so you need to we'll do yeah, we do. Okay, so we'll do wget Okay, it's not being served on the, so I need a Python server. That it still works. Okay, there. Now this should work. Oh wait. It's not in temp. It's gonna get confused. Yeah, I'm root. So next I'm going to stabilize the shell. So we have an interactive one, and then this is for sewage stuff. Just need to get my SSH key in there, and then SSH is root. And then I can cat, so we'll cat both files. So do cat root. Well, actually, let's do the user one first. I think it was dev was probably user something. So there's the user flag, and then the root flag, and we're done. Exit. There's one more thing that I want to do. Well, this, I wanted to write a Python script to search for a cycle, but I'm not going to do that. Okay.